everyone, my name is Brianna. I'm a proud introvert. Welcome back to Introvert TV. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to go ahead and click the subscribe button. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my Instagram and TikTok, link down below. Today's video is super exciting because we are going to be doing an unboxing, a try-on, and a first impression review of the new Crocs Classic Bubble Clogs. And I'm super excited for this. So if you'd like to see me unbox it, try it on, and get my first impressions, then just keep on watching. Okay, so like I said, these are the Classic Bubble Clogs. They come in two different colors. They came in black and white. And of course, I went for the black. Okay, so I ordered these August 17th, 2021, and they got to me August 21st. 2021, so super quick, and that was with the free shipping. These Crocs retail for $54.99, and yeah, so without further ado, let's just go ahead and open this bad boy up. Let's do it. This is what the package looks like. I'm super excited. Let's do it. Alrighty, so this is what these look like. So it's just the regular Crocs bag. So if you've never ordered from the Croc website before, you will receive a clear bag like this. Sometimes I save them. Most of the time I do save them. Some of the times I don't, but these are perfect for traveling, to put your Crocs back in when you're traveling, and it's good so your clothes and your shoes don't touch. So there's a little tip there. Here on the tag, these are called the Classic Bubble Block Clog. Oops, I was calling them the Bubble Clog, but it's a Bubble Block Clog. Anyway, so Classic Bubble Block Clog, color black, roomy fit, size unisex, men's 8, women's 10. So if you guys are new here, I'm a 10.5. Sometimes I go up, sometimes I go down. In this case, I went down, so I'll let you guys know how that fits and tell you what size you should get if you are a half a size. So let's dig into these. I'm still trying to get I feel like I'm struggling. Usually filming is really easy for me, but since I haven't done it in so long, I'm still struggling. So be patient with me, and if I forget anything, just leave a comment down below and ask the question, and then I'll just answer it down below. But I'm gonna try to remember. So let's do it. Okay. So this is what these look like. These are super cute. These are just a regular classic clog. They're technically just a black regular classic clog with just this bubble block design on them. But it comes with a tag, and the tag just says men's 8, women's 10. And then it comes with the regular tag here. And for those who like to see it, that's what that tag looks like. And yeah, so let's just take this off. They look like this. You have the regular ventilation ports. You have the regular holes for gibbets. You don't have any gibbet holes here because usually classic clogs, unless it's a special collection or something, it usually doesn't come with the gibbet holes on the strap. So in this case, there is no gibbet holes. It just says Crocs here, and then you have the Croc there. And then this is what the bottom looks like. It's just the regular bottom, and then the inside is the same as well. These are super cute. I mean, I don't think that they're absolutely necessary unless you collect, or unless you really like these. If you really like the design, then yes, you should go ahead and get them, but I don't feel like it's a must-have. I'm not sure how much I'm actually gonna wear these, but of course, you guys know, I make content and I also collect. So for me, that these are perfect because I'm a collector. So I really do like this design a lot. And actually, you could wear these a lot. I feel like there's so many different colors going on. The design is so cool that you could really get away with wearing these with any outfit, as long as a solid outfit. I feel like you can get away with wearing these a lot. Yeah, and then these are also made in Vietnam, just in case you're wondering, because I know that the sizings kind of fluctuate back and forth depending on where they're made. So yeah, these ones are Vietnam. But yeah, so let's go ahead and try these on and check out the sizing and all of that. Okay. So these fit. They are a little tight. They are a little snug. If you guys don't know, I have a long, narrow foot, so I like when it hugs, when the width part hugs. And it's definitely hugging, but my toe is kind of up at the top a little bit, but not super uncomfortable. It's not really, I wouldn't say it's too small. I just feel like it's just a little too close, if that makes sense. Like if I was to wear these for like a week or two, they would fit me perfect because I would break them in. But if I could go back, I would definitely have went up a size. So if you are a half a size, I would recommend maybe checking out the size above, like the next size up. In my case, I would have gotten an 11 instead of the 10. But other than that, these are super cute. I do like them. They are comfortable. They're just like a regular black classic clog. And yeah, that is today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to go ahead and click the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.